Hello students, today's topic is concept of business. So, all human beings do some activity just to satisfy their unlimited wants. As we all know, we have some basic needs like food, clothes, shelter. So, हम जो भी काम करते हैं हमारी नीड्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए that comes under human activity. It's not necessary that we are doing for earning money only. Sometime we do for love and affection. कभी कभी हम अपने loved ones के लिए भी कुछ करते हैं. So that is also comes under human activities. So human activities हर तरह की हो सकती है. जो भी activity हम लोग कर रहे हैं that is part of human activity. It can be for earning money or it can be for love and affection. So human activities are having two types. First one is economic activity and second one is non-economic activities. Economic activities are totally depend on earning money, or non-economic activities is for love and affection. Whatever activity we do that comes under non-economic. So first we will talk about economic activity. Economic activity is performed by human beings for earning livelihood, or we can say just to satisfy our basic needs. That comes under economic activities. It can be of three types. We can divide economic activities into three categories: business, employment and profession. Whatever work we do in business, employment and profession is to earn money. We won't do for our loved ones. We are just doing for earning money. हम लोग इसके अंदर इसलिए काम नहीं कर रहे हैं कि हम अपने क्लोज वंस को बेनिफिट कर पाएंगे या उनके लिए अच्छा कर रहे हैं. हम लोग ये काम क्यों करते हैं? ताकि हम अपनी बेसिक नीड्स को फुलफिल कर सकें. सो we will discuss about business, employment and profession later, but before that we will talk about non-economic activities. So non-economic activities are performed by human beings just for sympathy, love and affection. हम लोग अपने close ones के लिए जो भी काम करते हैं that is known as non-economic activities. Like हमारी मम्मी हमारे लिए अगर खाना बना रही है, if she is cooking food for us, so that is non-economic activities because she is not going to earn for that. वो हमारे लिए जो भी कर रही हैं that is for love and affection. If we are not well and our parents are taking care of us, so that is also non-economic activity. So we do both type of activities, just for earning money also and just for our psychological satisfaction. So ये depend इस पे करेगा कि आप किस intention से वो काम कर रहे हैं. So there are two types of activities we talked about, economic and non-economic. Now we will talk about categories of economic activities, that is business, employment and profession. All three are having different categories or different work. So let's start with the first one, that is business. What is business? Business is that economic activities which is directly connected with production, distribution, purchase and sale of goods and services. So people engaged in business earn income in form of profit. They won't get salary here. They will work for earning profit. Example of business are fishing, mining, farming, manufacturing, etc. And now the second one is profession. What is profession? Profession includes those activities which require special knowledge and skills. No one can do profession until unless they won't have any special knowledge. Doctors, engineers, CA, all are doing professional work. They are having special knowledge in their skills. No one can do their work. The people who are engaged in profession are known as professionals. For example, lawyers are professional engaged in the legal profession governed by the Bar Council of India. Doctors are professionals who are in the medical profession and are governed by the Medical Council of India. So profession में वही लोग involved हो सकते हैं जिन्होंने कोई special skill ले रखी हो, कोई special studies की हो. So वही लोग प्रोफेशनल्स कहलाएंगे. उसके अलावा और कोई पर्सन जो है वो प्रोफेशनल नहीं कहला सकता बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनी स्किल और स्पेशल नॉलेज. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट A person regularly work for another person. It means they won't work for themselves, they are just working for another person, and they will get salary or wages in return of that. Okay, so employees are working for employers. The person who gives job to another person is known as employer, and the person who gets the job is known as employee. So इन रिटर्न एम्प्लॉय विल गेट सैलरी एंड वेजेस. जो भी किसी के अंडर में काम कर रहा है उससे क्या मिलता है? सैलरी एंड वेजेस. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज़ वर्किंग इन ऑफिस, बैंक्स, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, शॉप्स. इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग एज एन सेल्स मैनेजर, क्लर्क, प्यून एट्सेट्रा. अगर हम किसी के भी अंडर में किसी भी पोस्ट पे काम करते हैं, सो दैट इज कम्स अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. थैंक यू.